When you start to me, make sure you got your strap tight. You a bitch, so is that nigga that you act like. Don't want smoke, I ain't gonna fight. I don't want this gold up on my wrist, I want them diamonds on me glistening. If you ain't talking money, motherfucker, I ain't listening. Niggas gotta die to get some fucking recognition. You don't get respect if you ain't toting no piston, nigga, listen. We both bleed, but we ain't the same. I know real shooters can't be fucking with no lane. Yeah, you want the money, and I know you want the fame. But you can't have that shit if you don't even know the game. I'm just saying, call me to the boss, you the middleman.
What we doing? What we doing? What we doing? What we doing? Hey, we going what? We going what?
We're going boing, boing.
Boy. Say what's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
I bet you do. Gang, 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 gang. Bow tie. What?
We both do the
Bruh.
same thing. Oh my god.
Mimi.
I'm not gonna go back
Mimi.
and forth with you.
Who? Mimi.
No.
Mimi. Who taught you that? Mwah.
Yeah, she looked at me.
Huh? Where you trying to go, me? Yeah. Where you trying to go?
Whatever.
Yeah. No, go. Just flick up some shit. Damn.
Hey, I love you.
I love you too. Where baby? Hey. Oh, it's the car seat. What up, y'all? I hope we don't get copyright. We're bowling. We came out for a night with the family or whatever. We're finally getting to do something. Steph works tonight, but we got time. Say what's up? Hey. Yeah. Hey. Ready to get your ass whooped?
Ah!
No?
Me, I won.
Yeah, but now.
Oh, that's right. Steph got to eat.
Okay. My turn. Oh, wait.
Here's the camera, baby. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Back on me. Let's go. Back on me. Let's go. Back on me.
Right.
Hey, Adonis. I got you in the background, nigga. I want to hear nothing. Come on, babe. Hey, that glasses lighter. That shit hard as hell. That bitch. Damn!
You got it. Now you got him on.
Alright, Dan, let's go! What happened? So what happened?
I might need me some liquor too. Hey, 1250. Get it with me. Damn. I'm presidential in the club. Hey. Oh, shit. Hey.
Mean.
Mateo.
Yeah.
How does it feel to win?
Well, you know, it was hard. I was down the whole game. But I knew in myself that I was going to be myself. And there's no way I could not allow myself not to be myself. So I had to come back to make sure I had to come back.
Right.
And that's what winners do. They come back. So, shout out. God bless. All thanks to God. Thank for him. Appreciate my whole team and everything, my association, brand. Shout out Bakari, shout out Fun Rentals, shout out to my wives, shout out to my babies and shit. Man, yeah, what she did.
That's all, folks.